Hello, I'm Matt and welcome to Badger Workshop. This is a nice simple project and will make a great gift, especially for a coffee loving commuter. I'm going to start off with a template. Now you could use one of those sleeves they give you in the coffee shop, but I printed one off online. I'll put a link to the one I use down below. I can then trace the template out onto the leather. I find a biro works really great for this. I did it on the underside of the leather, which is going to be the inside of the sleeve, so you'll never see it. Also, you're cutting on the line, so you're cutting through the mark you've made. With the shape cut out, I can then use an edge beveler to go around and bevel the edges. This is a bit like using a roundover bit in the router, just makes the edge a little nicer. I then burnish the edges with this felt burnisher in the drill press, and this just polishes the edges and makes them look even nicer. To make this into a sleeve, the two ends need stitching together. So first I use the calipers to mark out where the row of stitching is going to need to go. Then I can use a punch to mark out a row of holes down both edges. I fold the sleeve over so the holes match up, and then I can clamp it into my stitching pony. I'm going to stitch it together using a baseball stitch, or at least that's how I refer to it. You cross over the threads so you leave a cross mark on it, which looks quite decorative, like on a baseball. If you want to know how to do it, there's plenty of videos dedicated to just doing that, which will do a better job than I will. I'm using a cream thread so it contrasts with the leather. I'm putting all this effort into the stitching, so I want it to stand out. When I get to the end, I go back over the last couple of stitches to hold everything in place, and then the threads can be snipped off. This is an extremely strong nylon thread I'm using, but to stop it pulling out, you can just burn the ends and melt it down. And that's it all done. I made a few in different colour combinations. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.